For my yum, time to rate the yum yummier and yummiest. Milk tea. Teka lang. I'm debating. This is my yum. As I said, para siyang fresh taho pero fancier yung lasa. And the milk tastes so fresh and good. This one naman is my yummier. Kasi nagkaroon siya ng parang kick nung tea. Nung nahaluan na siya ng oolong tea, meron na siyang certain kick, certain oomph to the milk tea. Ayun, madi-differentiate mo eh, yung may tea and yung wala, which is amazing. And then ito yung yummiest ko. Winter melon milk. Ay, wait lang, hindi to. Mali, ito yun. Mali, ito yun.
Mali, ito yun.
Mali lang yung nakuha ko, sorry naman. Ito yung yummiest. Winter melon milk.